Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are breaking down Google Sites. Is it still good and who is it really for? So let's jump right in. Google Site is one of the simplest no-fuss website builders you can use today. It's perfect for anyone who wants a clean, functional website without touching a single line of code. This makes it especially great for educators, small business owners, internal teams, students, and anyone building portfolios, project hubs, or internal company sites. One of its biggest strengths is the seamless integration with Google Workspace. You can easily embed Google Docs, Sheets, slides, forms, calendars, you name it, directly into your site. This makes it ideal for collaboration, sharing resources, or building organized project environments. The drag and drop editor is super easy to use. You can add text, images, videos, buttons, and sections in just a few clicks. So your site looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile automatically. Now, Google Sites isn't the most advanced builder out there. You won't get the deep design freedom you'd find in platforms like Webflow, WordPress, or Wix, but that's the point. It focuses on speed, simplicity, and reliability, making it perfect for users who value convenience over heavy customizations. You also get basic SEO tools, access permissions for Team Collab, and real time updates. And the best part? It's completely free with a Google account. That makes it one of the most cost effective options for anyone who needs a professional looking website without any extra fees. Overall, I want to say Google Sites remains a solid choice in 2025 if you want an easy to manage website that integrates perfectly with Google Workspace and doesn't require design or tech skills. It's reliable, clean, and perfect for simple sites that just need to work. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.